Hey there, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you a game-changing trick: how to create custom lists in Excel. Ever found yourself typing the same list over and over again? Maybe it's a list of clients, product categories, or even months, whatever it is. Manually entering it every time is a waste of time. Well, guess what? Excel can do this for you automatically. Once you set up a custom list, you'll be able to fill an entire column or row with your list in just a few clicks. Sounds good? Let's jump right in. First, let's create a sample list. For this example, let's say I want to create a custom list of months, but this could be any list you use frequently: days of the week, department names, cities, anything. In an empty column, type January, February, March, April. Quick tip: if you already have a list stored somewhere in Excel, you can use that instead. Now that we have our list, let's move on to creating the custom list in Excel's settings. To tell Excel to recognize our list, follow these steps. Click on the File tab, top left corner. Scroll down and select Options. In the Excel Options window, click on Advanced on the left. Now scroll down until you find the section called General. Click the button that says Edit Custom Lists. Why do this? This is where we can add, edit, or delete custom lists, so Excel can autofill them for us. Now that we're in the Custom Lists window, it's time to add our months. Under Custom Lists, you'll see some built-in lists, like days of the week. In the List Entries box, manually type January, February, March, April. Click Add to save your new list. Click OK to close the window. Boom. Your custom list is now saved in Excel. But how do we actually use it? Let me show you. Now for the fun part. Let's see this in action. Type January into a cell. This is the first item in our custom list. Click on the bottom right corner of the cell. You'll see a little plus sign. Drag it down or across, as far as you need. Let go of the mouse, and watch as Excel automatically fills in the rest of the list. How cool is that? No more retyping the same things over and over again. Bonus tip: this works horizontally too. Try dragging the fill handle to the right instead of down. Bonus: import an existing list. What if you already have a big list of items in a spreadsheet and don't want to type them all manually? Good news, you don't have to. Go back to File, Options, Advanced, Edit. Custom Lists. Click the Import button. Select the range of cells that contain your list. Click OK, and Excel will add them as a custom list. This is perfect if you have long lists of employee names, client lists, or product categories that you frequently use. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use custom lists in Excel to save time and avoid repetitive typing. What's a list you'll create? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips. I can't wait to share even more tricks with you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.